If you're ready to get organized and supercharge project collaboration, this video is for you. Today we're diving into a clear, simple process for managing tasks right inside Confluence, including how to create action items, generate helpful reports, and tie in Jira issues. By the end, you'll know how to keep your team on the same page, track what needs doing, and never lose sight of important action items again. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Confluence page where you want to manage your tasks. Now to add a new action item, just type a / in the word action. When you do this, Confluence will pop up a menu and you'll see action items in the list. Go ahead and select that option. Now this might seem like just a checkbox, but it's actually so much more. Each action item you add here is directly assignable, trackable, and visible to your whole team. This means no more forgotten to-dos buried in meeting notes or lost in endless email threads. For example, you might write, "Review Q2 sales report" or "Follow up with design team." Take a second to clearly phrase your action, be specific about what needs doing and who's responsible. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Alright, once you've got your action items listed, you'll probably want to keep track of them all in one place, especially as projects get more complex. This is where task reports come in. Again, type a /, this time type task reports, so task reports. Choose the task report macro from the menu. What this does is generate a dynamic table that pulls in all open tasks across your Confluence pages, so you can see everything assigned to you or your teammates at a glance. It's like having your own bird's-eye view dashboard. Don't worry if your list is looking a bit empty at first, just means you've got a clean slate or you've already been super productive. Next, let's talk about integrating Jira issues. If you're working in a team that uses Jira for ticket tracking, you'll love how Confluence makes it seamless to see all your work in one spot. Type /Jira work items and select the Jira work items macro. With this, you can actually surface real Jira issues, stories, or epics right alongside your Confluence tasks. For example, let's say you've got a bug to track or a feature request assigned to you in Jira. You'll see it together with the rest of your Confluence action items. This helps break down silos, so you're not constantly switching tabs trying to figure out what needs doing next. Now, with all these elements added to your page, it's time to manage the tasks. Take a few moments to organize them. Assign owners by using the @mention feature, set due dates if you want to keep things on schedule, and most importantly, check back regularly to update progress. Remember, tools are only as effective as the habits you build with them. Consistency is key. If you find you've fallen a little behind, don't worry. Confluence makes it super easy to see what's overdue or still pending, so you never lose track. And that's all there is to it. With action items, task reports, and Jira issues all running smoothly in Confluence, you're setting yourself and your team up for real project success. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, tips, or even ideas for other Confluence tricks you'd like to learn. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming guides. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.